Who's ready for some more beautiful, hollow-filled gemstones? Me! Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the Gemstone Part 2 collection from Damn Nail Polish. This is the second installment of 3 so far in their Gemstone series, and I am in love with them. We are going to start off with Emerald. This is a very deep green linear holographic. Greens are not my usual favorite color, as you guys may know, but I actually really like this because it has like a hint of a blue undertone. It's so gorgeous in sunlight and really pretty in regular light. These polishes are available in the trio for $33, or you can get each of them individually for $11.50, but the trio is so worth it. This goes on really smooth. In one coat, it is deceptively sheer. This looks like you're gonna need 3 to build it up, but I didn't actually. In the second coat it went on, it was completely opaque, and you couldn't even see that really visible nail line I have, which makes it adorable and perfect. And there's a cat hair. I was gonna edit that out, and I was like, I'll leave it. I'm actually working on rearranging my workstation to where there's not gonna be cat hair or anything in it anymore, because the cats aren't gonna be able to get around it. But at this time, that's not done yet. That's gonna take about a month because I'm really busy with work and stuff. But once that's done, no more cat hairs, I swear. Next we have Pearl. This is a white linear holographic. This is my favorite white hollow. This is actually the whitest white hollow I own, and I own quite a few. I was on the hunt for a white hollow before Christmas because I wanted it for Christmas nails. I love doing Christmas manis, but I didn't want to put a cream white with red and green and other hollows. I wanted to be able to have completely hollow looks. So I pulled this out because I'd bought this collection before Christmas. I pulled this out and I started testing it against all the other white ones I had. And some of them were close, but they still had that gray tint to them that I don't know, it just put me off. So I ended up putting them all under my lights, and this one was the whitest one on the swatch wheel. So I use this in several looks. You have probably seen this all over my Instagram if you follow me on Insta and other tutorials. It has been a definite go-to, and ever since then Angie has had trouble keeping it stocked. Like right now you cannot buy it individually, but it is available in the trio. It is just perfection. I can't even tell you. And it may look a little gray in these pictures because I was photographing with a dark backlighting in the room, but it is so stunning. I love this. Last but certainly not least in this trio, we have Diamond. This is a silver linear holographic, but it also has the slightly larger hollow glitters in it that give you that little sparkle, the extra sparkle and pop. It is so beautiful. I really didn't think that I was gonna like this that much because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little over silver hollows. There have been so many silver hollows, and silver hollows were some of the first hollows to come out because people realized you could toss all the Spectraflare in a clear base and it was a silver hollow. But this is just, there's something about it. I like the extra little pop of sparkle, and it is so gorgeous. This took 3 coats as well, just like Pearl does, but it's totally worth it. And I don't think it would have taken 3 coats if I didn't have that really noticeable nail line. I think most people could get away with 2. It's just that, you know, my nails are stained and you can see through them and it's bad. So it took 3. This is so beautiful, and honestly, I don't think the still photos I have of it do it justice. I feel like my light bulbs were giving off a very warm glow, and I thought about editing the still images, but I didn't really want to. So if you want to see a really good sunlight pic of this, head over to my Instagram. It's going to be in my Instagram story for the next 24 hours. I took a pic while I was grocery shopping, and it's gorgeous. As I said, all the pricing info is linked in the description box. I have a link to my blog post in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials and everything else. And I will see you guys next time.